Hi there, this is Faye of Rockstar Client Success Team. In this video, we are going to look at how you can get started using Monday.com as Rockstar Project Management Tool. Monday.com is our main project management tool because it's simple and easy to navigate. In case you are not familiar with it, I'm going to show you how to use it. So here's the overview of your Monday board. To add a task, select Create a new task form from the view list. Click Copy Form Link and open it in a new tab. Once the form is open, you can now proceed with creating the task by filling in all the required information. To start with, first add a task name. Give your task or project a name. Then click Next. Choose the priority level for the task or project, indicating whether this is a low, medium, high, or critical priority. If you choose to use this form to create the task, kindly refer to our Scope of Services link for guidance. Next, please provide a brief description of the funnel or website that you need. Next, please provide your written content or sales copy. Please upload it to a Google Drive or paste the Google document link here. Please do not forget to change the sharing restriction to anyone. Next, your company's current website. Please provide the links here to your company's current websites by entering the URL in the space below. If you don't have any existing website, feel free to leave this field blank. Next, platform to be used. Please indicate the platform that we're going to use in terms of developing your website or funnel. There are examples below. Next, access requirements. Please provide the necessary usernames and passwords for all platforms or tools used, like web builder platforms, domain hosting sites, scheduling platforms, or third-party integration. Please compile these credentials in a Google Docs and grant viewer access to anyone. Also, you may contact your account manager for other ways of granting access to all of your platforms. Next, company logo. Please upload the high-quality logo to a Google Drive, then attach the link here. Next, photos to be used. Next, brand colors you want to use for this project. Next, you may also include fonts you want to use for this project. Next, if you have design references or websites that you wanted to model, please provide links to website or design examples that reflect the style, layout, or features you envision for your website. Next, you may also include target audience, but this is just optional. Next, you may also include special instructions. You may type your instruction here on the blank. You can place here other useful information that may help your team to create your task. After completing the task creation, it will appear in the To-Do section of the main board. To verify, simply return to your Monday board and select the main board from the view list. Please take note that the cards are sorted across the board according to progress. Under To Do means the task is still waiting to be started. Processing means the task is already being worked on. Review means the project is waiting for your feedback or approval. And Complete means the project is already done or completed. Additionally, your account manager will be the ones to move the cards from To Do to processing and from processing to under review. Your account manager will also be the ones to put deadlines on the cards before moving it to processing. When you would like to add additional updates, or if you would like to add additional assets for your team to use, just drag and comment on the update section of each project card. Monday does not notify the users, so please make sure to tag your account manager or anyone that you want to talk to. Is there anyone who you would like to be invited to this board? Just ask assistance to your account manager and he will help you with that. Moreover, you can trust that the client success team is your dedicated partner. Feel free to reach out if you have any concerns about your team's performance or if you wish to add additional services or upgrades and downgrades. The Client Success Management team is your best point of contact as we provide the most suitable options and pricing for additional services or upgrades. All you have to do is reach out to us through the board discussion area. Just select discussion on the board options and tag your dedicated client success supervisor. Thank you for trusting Rockstar Web Design Services. We're looking forward to a long-term partnership with you.